Nigerian TV.
My people, now well don't know. We get news when we want read this evening. When it concerned 154 years old man for Nigeria. When it be say he dey use Facebook to dey defraud people, and he go use Facebook to do as if say in a fine man and a fine boy. And again, one particular woman be say he catch for Facebook, a Filipino. So this woman can't fall in love with this man. So as this woman fall in love with this man, the man can use love to scatter a brain. The woman can fly from Philippines to Nigeria. This woman so a very beautiful lady, young lady, and she be accountant for Philippines. The day when he come Nigeria, now November 22nd, 2019, may come visit this man what they call Chukudi Odo. When he be say, as he just land, this man collect money from her, collect everything when the woman gets. The woman be the feel say he don't find a true love. You know say na kidnapper hand now he go fall into. This man can't kidnap and go hide down. So the family of the woman could they think this woman go Nigeria go meet a boyfriend. Maybe say meet for Facebook. They could look for her. They could report the issue to Philippines government. So those who can contact Nigeria embassy. So they know say this a boyfriend of 54 years old. And he just kidnap her for 6 good months. Kidnap her for 6 good months. Go hide down for one local government for Enugu. So because of the seriousness of this case, now police got they involved. Police got they search for this woman, they search for the kidnappers. So they can't trace the issue, how this woman they enter, what happen, where the woman visit, and the same card maybe say this woman can't see use for Nigeria before they kidnap her. So now it can't be say this man, even when the woman is sick, you know even gonna give her food to eat, not even gonna give her medicine. So now police can't start to look for her, they search for her. One day, now they can't get information say one guy from Niger, Enugu, now he kidnap this woman. This woman be saying when he come Niger, they just play love, they will marry, and you will see how he will take sort out this man. And that the man when they see for the picture of this one. So as they catch him, they could ask the man some questions. What happen? What make him kidnap the man? The man say he don't know what happen. No. So say na devil work. So they could ask her, na devil work. The woman will be say, he fly, pass through many seas, come visit you. Thinking say he don't see husband. No knowing say you when old like this, with this your big head, you can't just go kidnap that fine woman when you get better job for your country. So police now they don't catch the man, catch him red-handed. Even as they catch the man, the woman not well, the woman is sick, because the food when they eat for Nigeria and the food when they eat for your country, it is different. The woman can't slim, the woman can't cry. The woman cry. The woman say she don't know say and like that life be o. She be saying as they be for their country. You fit fly to anywhere, go visit somebody. Una fit marry through Facebook, na im can see travel. She don't know say at the hand of bad people, na go fall into. So this woman could advise people when they say they use Facebook to look for lovers. Say not be everybody when you see for Facebook not being truly love you, because some yahoo people, kidnappers, thief, criminals, they inside Facebook when they say that they look for ways to kidnap people, ways to collect people money. No, say we also hear of different cases where person will invite somebody to go house. At the end of the day, they will rape the person, they will vandalize the person body, they will even kill her. Look at what happened last time about Owela as well. Owela will be say she go church, she want go pray. Now people carry her, they vandalize her, they even kill her. So how people can't trust our people for Nigeria? That is why they say crime rate when it's supposed to reduce for Nigeria, it dey increase because people no one get sense. If you just see them, see their face, you just know say they plan evil against that person. But Igbo no dey think like that. Though not be true Igbo, but their country they no dey think like that. Because she don't hear stories say anybody fit marry from Facebook. You see some testimonies when it be say this one say I met my lover on the internet. The other one say na through Facebook. Oh. The other one say na through Twitter. What the other one say na through Instagram. But thinking say this life na free world. She no know say this life deep pass waiting she be dey think. So how other people will take the look that country if they travel now? Person just comot for your country. Thinking say you don't see husband. And waiting you they think. It different from waiting she dey think. So my people, make una try. Make una dey act in a right way. Because all these evil be say people they do, or when you they tend to do, think about them. Whether it will benefit you, because evil not they pay. It no will pay you at all. If you do it for some time, you do and hide. One day, somebody must see you. And if you they do it with somebody, maybe one day, one or two things will cause wahala. Maybe issue of money. Una kidnap somebody now, maybe una charge 2 million. And you give that person 200,000, the person will be happy with you. You want to make sure you share equal. Be saying that you bring the information, you want you take the larger part of the money. So before you know it, police don't grab you. And when they grab you, where you they go? They will charge you go court. If you be say don't be police fair cash you, now people for outside cash you. Now that you there, if you just bring you alive. You see, my people, make we grow, so that we make this life a better place to live. Make people they trust to now. You see, some people now, they get money, they fear to go home, to go invest. Because if they invest, person when they put for the work, make they help them the work, they will look for one or two ways to kill them so that they will take over the property. That kind of thing good, my people. It's not good. So we will read some of the comments. Maybe say people drop for our impulse concerning this issue when it happened. So some of the comments when I will read now from Igwe Moses, he say, "Chai, love is a beautiful thing. So you mean a lady crossed so many seas because of this man. God is merciful." So the other person can say, "I don't blame her, Sha. Maybe she thought she was going to meet one of his descendants because this man is clearly an ancestor. Say the man don't old. Why that can find woman of 40 years old would they look for this man? But we both not they look like that. If you say everybody not the same, whether you be old, you dey old or you dey young, because age na numbers." The other person can say, "Now this lady and everyone she know we hate Nigerians with passion because of the useless man. You see, nobody will trust Nigeria again because of this evil act when this person do." Another person can talk say, "Could this be the picture of this man that made the lady left her country? Anyways, love is a beautiful thing. You see, as you ugly rich with this your boko head, you can't kidnap that woman, spoil the name of that country. How is it better? How not take get work? How Oyibo will come to invest for our country with this kind of attitude? If she go back to her country now, she will tell her people, you see, I go Nigeria, I go see somebody when I love, and the person can't kidnap me for 6 months, 6 good months. This man get her too. My people, we're gonna leave comment. We're gonna tell us wetin una think concerning this matter, and we're gonna share this video as well. Like and share am to your friends and family, and make una not forget to subscribe to our channel at DJM TV so that una will receive ogbonge news from us, latest information when they trend for social media. and when we dey see with our crocro eye. Una well done o, and make una no forget to una go subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
DJ TV.